Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get plaster bandage on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress and I'm going to show you guys how we can get a plaster bandage for our avatar or our model. If you want to get plaster bandage, you can go to the section guys. Okay, right here, and then you can find this plaster here. You just need to click on it and the plaster bandage will be put on your face, and then we can change the toggle. Select the toggle and then here you can choose where you wanna put this plaster bandage on. For example, I'm going to put it on my left knee and right knee as well, like this. Okay, you just need to customize it according to your needs. Okay, this is how the plaster bandage looks like. And okay guys, that's all the way to get plaster bandage on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye!